Hey everyone, it's Chris from Heat Press Nation, and today I'm going to show you how to make personalized game day jerseys from the comfort of your own home. Stick around throughout the entirety of the video to catch some tips and tricks I used to ensure a successful finished product. Let's begin. So because our jerseys are made from 100% polyester material, we're going to use HTV or heat transfer vinyl and Supacolor to cover all the hits on both of our jerseys. And that's actually going to be tip number 1, which is to take note of what garment type you are using. A lot of times people think because it worked for someone else, it's going to work for them, but this is not necessarily the case. In order to pick the type of transfer material you're using, you have to know the material that you're going to be putting it on. Let's get started in Leonardo Design Studio to set our design up. Once you import your artwork, you will be greeted with 3 options. If you still need to edit your graphic and want to work layer by layer, select Editable Artwork. If your graphic is already a vector, click Cut Only and adjust the amount of colors in use. Tip number 2 is to create a stitched or embroidered effect on your designs. This creates a patchy effect that adds even more depth to your graphic. Now, once the image is loaded in, adjust your media size, ensuring that the image is completely on the artboard, then click Send Design. While that's cutting, we're going to create a Supacolor order for our basketball jersey. Because the jersey is a mesh black polyester material, we're going to use Supacolor Blocker, which is bleed resistant and made with elasticity for sportswear in mind. Create your order by going to heat.press/Supacolor and uploading your artwork. Then select the proper media specifications such as size, garment type, and garment color. Tip number 3 is to take a picture of your garment in a well-lit room and then use the eyedropper tool to get the closest color to what is on the jersey. Then use the color code in your design before sending it over to Supacolor to ensure consistency in your jersey's color schemes. Lastly, just add it to your cart to place the order. Now that your designs are cut and weeded out, I'm going to show you how to actually apply your graphics to different spots of the jersey. For our hockey jersey, we have about 6 hits or different locations that we have to press on. This could also be a point to bring up when selling this to your customers. The more locations, the more it's going to cost. First, we're going to align the design where we want on a flat surface to make sure we like where our graphics are placed. This is extremely important to do before pressing so you know what it's going to look like after your project is complete. After your first layer is placed where you want it, press down for 3 to 5 seconds. Next, place a second layer on top and press again for just another quick couple of seconds. Lastly, cover both layers with parchment and press for the full 15 seconds. Repeat this process for each location you want to customize. With Siser EasyWeed, you can easily make one-offs for your customers without having to wait for any pre-made transfers. This means that all you need to get started is vinyl, a plotter, and a heat press. Here are the settings for using Siser EasyWeed. Next, we're going to take the orders we received from Supacolor and press them onto our mesh basketball jersey. With Supacolor, you can get jobs done in absolutely no time at all, and all you have to do is just wait for your transfers to get to your door for you to start pressing. Here are the press settings for Supacolor Blocker. Center your graphic and press down with very firm pressure. Once the time is up, pop open your heat press and roll away the carrier sheet. Supacolor requires a hot peel, so make sure to do so swiftly after the timer ends. Now do the same for the back jersey number. Once complete, you should have 2 completely customizable jerseys that are game day ready and made with quality that lasts. We were able to take advantage of the accessibility of Siser EasyWeed HTV as well as the seamless process of Supacolor to decorate these 2 jerseys. If you were interested in any of the materials used in today's video, they will all be linked in the description box below. Lastly, we just launched a new Heat Press Entrepreneur Masterclass that guides you through the entire process of starting your very own small business from start to finish. This can be found at heat.press/masterclass. That's it from me. My name's Chris, and I'll see you guys in the next video.